watch out, brother, for the home that train. Look to the heavens, look to the sky. You can find redemption staring back into your eye. There is protection and there's peace in the flame, burning your ticket to that long that train. You know there's victory in the Lord, I say. Victory in the Lord. Pray to the Father and His holy name. Don't go riding on that long black train. It sounds so good, but I must stay away. That train is a beauty to make everybody stay, but its only destination is a little away. As you know, there's victory in the Lord, I say. Victory in the Lord. Driving that